In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if you're experiencing an issue on your Chromebook that the incorrect date and time is being displayed. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the system launcher and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, you want to go down and select system preferences. And then on the right side, you want to first make sure your time zone is correct here. And if not, you may want to set it automatically. Something else you can look at as well, if you want to go and select the set date and time button, you can then customize it by selecting the calendar icon and then changing the date and time here as well, and then select done when you're done, and that should hopefully resolve the issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.